Geordie, one other use case that can be quite interesting is the ability of this fall detection capability. So it's something coming up on your roadmap?
Well, speaking of fall detection, we get asked about all the time, is Wi-Fi motion and Wi-Fi sensing capable of detecting falls reliably enough to bring a solution to market today? And the answer that we see from what we've been doing in our R&D labs and what we've tested with service providers is right now, Wi-Fi motion and Wi-Fi sensing is not mature enough to bring falls to market. But we do see other complementary technology that can be brought through partnerships that are very complementary and can offer reliable fall detection. And those are technologies such as millimeter wave. And the main reason for Wi-Fi sensing not being able to provide falls today is specifically that measurements must be performed at a very high sampling rate, which will negatively impact the performance of Wi-Fi without specific dedicated hardware for this use case. And so Cognitive really views this as an opportunity to provide Wi-Fi motion as the foundational layer for aging in place, and then partner with companies that are doing technologies like millimeter wave to detect falls in a very specific focused area in areas of the home. For example, if you just look at these two pictures, on the left is really what Wi-Fi sensing sees if you were using an analogy of vision. And so we're seeing basically a holistic view of all motion activity everywhere in the home, leveraging just the IoT devices that are connected to your access point. If you look on the right, which is Wi-Fi sensing plus technology such as millimeter wave, there is a circle there on the stairs with a dedicated hardware device that is really providing high resolution in terms of falls at a much higher sampling rate. And when you pair them together, there's an opportunity for an affordable solution that provides holistic whole home monitoring for elder care with room-specific fall detection offered through millimeter wave.